Today we're making Peruvian Chicha Morada Granita. It makes 6 servings and takes about 4 hours, including freezing. Let's turn purple corn into the most refreshing frozen treat. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. First, 1 cup of dried purple corn. This is the base that gives color and aroma. 6 cups of water to simmer everything and extract the flavor. 1 cup of chopped pineapple peel and core for tropical sweetness. 1 medium apple, quartered, to round out the fruitiness. 2 cinnamon sticks, for warm spice. 6 whole cloves to deepen the spice profile. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar for balanced sweetness. Half a cup of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavor. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the 1 cup of dried purple corn in a colander under cold water to remove any dust, then drain it well. Add the rinsed purple corn, 6 cups of water, 1 cup of chopped pineapple peel and core, 1 medium apple quartered, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 6 whole cloves to a large saucepan. Bring it to a boil over high heat, then lower to a gentle simmer. Partially cover and simmer for 45 minutes, until the liquid turns deep purple and smells aromatic. Turn off the heat and let it steep for 15 minutes to intensify the flavor. Strain through a fine mesh strainer into a large bowl, pressing the solids to extract as much liquid as possible. Discard the solids. While the liquid is still warm, stir in 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar until it fully dissolves. Let the mixture cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until thoroughly chilled, about 1 hour. Stir in half a cup of fresh lime juice and mix well to brighten the chicha base. Pour the chilled mixture into a shallow metal baking dish, keeping the depth under about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Freeze for 30 minutes. Then use a fork to scrape the icy edges and stir them into the center. Return it to the freezer for another 30 minutes, then scrape again with the fork, breaking up any larger chunks. Repeat the cycle, freezing and scraping every 30 minutes until you get light, fluffy crystals. This takes about 2 to 3 hours total. When crystals are fully formed, fluff the granita with a fork and let it sit for 5 minutes at room temperature to soften slightly. Spoon the granita into glasses or small bowls, packing gently so the crystals stay airy. Serve immediately. For leftovers, cover the pan tightly and freeze for up to 1 week, then scrape again before serving to refresh the crystals. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Peruvian granita, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.